Augusto and Marilyn Santos live in the outskirts of Sao Paulo. Although they are already retired and a bit shy, they have led many to the feet of Jesus. Through friendship, service, and fellowship, they win the hearts of their neighbors. Their daughter Cibele plays an important role in this ministry. She frequently teaches music to young children in the community, and on weekends, Cibele goes out with different instruments to give music lessons to poor kids. She is creatively using her God-given talents. The Santos' success story begins with their relationship with God that permeates the life and transforms the character. Augusto, who is now in his 90s, reaches into his pocket to raise churches here on earth as a way of building the kingdom of God. This is church number 2 on his personal record, but Augusto has been helping plant Adventist churches well before becoming a baptized member. Now, it's easy to see the fruitful results. Neighbors are giving their lives to Jesus. Others are returning to church after many years away. As time passes, this church family grows stronger and more hopeful for the harvest day when Jesus returns. Augusto, Marilyn, and Cibele remind us that men and women, young and old, are called to finish God's work on earth. The work of God in this earth can never be finished until the men and women comprising our church membership rally to the work and unite their efforts with those of ministers and church officers.